Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tundra tail light, full guide. Start by opening the tailgate and removing the interior trim panel to expose the access bolts. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove the bulb assembly carefully. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the mounting bolts, then pull the tail light straight back with steady force. Keep bolts and clips in a labeled bag and inspect gaskets for wear before reinstallation. Before you begin, gather a 10 mm socket, trim tool, flashlight, and gloves to make the job faster and safer. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the battery if you plan electrical testing. Use bright lighting and a magnetic tray for fasteners to prevent loss. Work calmly and avoid forcing clips, which can break easily. Taking these precautions saves time and prevents common mistakes during removal. If you're finding this helpful, please like the video and subscribe so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, great for greasy hands and long garage sessions. I added the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out later. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When removing the tail light, work methodically from top to bottom so the assembly stays aligned and doesn't snag. If fasteners or clips are stubborn, apply penetrating spray and let it soak for a few minutes before attempting again. Take clear photos or label connectors to make reassembly seamless. Always inspect the bulb sockets and gaskets for corrosion or damage and replace worn parts to prevent leaks and electrical problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.